Love. Some say it's eternal, others say it fades with time. But what happens when love is left unanswered? When fate separates two souls only to reconnect them in the most unexpected way? This is the story of Arjun and Banu, a love that fought against time, silence, and destiny itself. Arjun and Banu had been in love since their college days. They shared dreams, promises, and the hope of a future together. After graduation, they decided it was time to tell their parents about the relationship and seek their approval for marriage. They knew their families wouldn't easily accept it, but they wanted to try. One day, Arjun attended a job interview and secured a position. Excited to share the news, he immediately called Banu. The phone rang, but she didn't answer. He thought she might be busy and decided to wait for her to call back. Days passed, but there was still no response. He reassured himself that she might be busy with something important. However, a nagging fear grew in his mind. Had she told her parents? Had they forced her to cut off all contact with him? The uncertainty consumed him, and he spent sleepless nights waiting for her call. A week went by, and still there was no word from Banu. Unable to bear the silence any longer, Arjun decided to take the first step. Before approaching Banu's family, he needed to convince his own parents first. With determination, he spoke to them about his love for Banu. Initially, they were hesitant, unwilling to accept his decision. But after much persuasion, they saw his sincerity and finally agreed. With their blessing, he felt confident to face Banu's family. The next day, Arjun dressed up and made his way to her house. His heart pounded as he knocked on the door. Banu's mother opened it. He introduced himself as a friend of Banu's. She let him in. He sat in the living room, waiting anxiously. Moments later, Banu's father entered. Arjun gathered his courage and spoke. Sir, I love your daughter and I wanted to marry her. I have a stable job now and I promise to take care of her. Banu's father remained silent for a moment, his expression unreadable. Then, with a stern face, he responded, My daughter is already married. She got married a few days ago. Arjun felt his world collapse. His mind went blank, his heart heavy with disbelief. He sat there, unable to process what he had just heard. How is this possible? Banu loved me. I know she wouldn't have agreed to do this. Without another word, he left the house, his vision blurred by tears. Countless questions raced through his mind, but he had no answers. He reached out to their mutual friends, desperately hoping someone knew something, but no one had any information. There were no wedding pictures on social media, no updates, nothing. It was as if Banu had disappeared from his life without a trace. Years passed. Arjun buried himself in work, using it as a distraction. Yet, he never changed his phone number, holding on to the hope that Banu might one day call him. He had moved forward in life, but he had never truly let go. One evening, as he was checking his phone, a message popped up. It was from Banu. Hi, how are you? His hands trembled as he stared at the screen. After all these years, Banu had finally reached out. For years, he had longed for this moment. He had imagined countless scenarios of what he would say if she ever contacted him again. But now, faced with the reality of it, he didn't know how to respond. Should he ask why she left? Should he demand an explanation? Or should he simply pretend that time had healed everything. He spent the whole day debating with himself. That night, he finally typed a response. Hi, I'm good, how about you? He pressed send and waited. Seconds turned into minutes, minutes into hours, but no reply came. The next morning, he woke up and immediately checked his phone. Still nothing. Days passed and the silence remained. Unable to take the uncertainty any longer, Arjun decided to call her. The phone rang, but no one answered. He tried again. This time, the number was switched off. His heart sank. Desperate for answers, he reached out to an old mutual friend. After a long pause, that friend finally spoke. Arjun, Banu passed away last week. Arjun fell the ground, slipped from beneath him. His breath caught in his throat. No, that can't be. She messaged me a few days ago. His voice trembled. His friend hesitated before replying. Her husband? He found her old phone. Maybe he wanted to clear her messages, or maybe she had typed it long ago and never sent it. No one knows. Tears welled up in Arjun's eyes. The message he had waited for all these years had finally come. But it wasn't really from her. That night, he sat alone, staring at the screen, reading her message over and over again, his heart breaking all over again. With a heavy heart, he typed one final message. I waited for you, Banu. I wish I could have saved you. I hope wherever you are at peace. And for the first time in years, he deleted her contact, knowing there would never be another message. But deep inside, he still hoped that somewhere in another life they would find their way back to each other. Sometimes in life, we never get the answers we seek. No matter how much we long for closure, some questions remain unanswered. And maybe that's just life. Some doors are meant to stay closed, and all we can do is find a way to move forward. But what do you think, guys? Did Banu really send that message, or was it her husband trying to clear things out? Do you think Arjun finally found closure, or will this message keep him stuck in the past? Let me know in the comment section. Have you ever experienced a moment where you wished for closure but never got it? How did you deal with it? Let's talk and share our thoughts.